Hey foodie friends! Today I'm going to show you how I make this Asian crunch chicken bowl that honestly had me questioning, why do I keep buying takeout? We're going to start with our slaw. In a large bowl, we're going to combine 2 bags of slaw mix, a half an ounce of fresh basil, the juice of 1 lime, and 1 cup of Ken's Asian ginger dressing. We're going to give everything a good toss and set it aside in the fridge so those flavors can get friendly with each other while we work on the rest of our dish. Next, let's make our fried rice. To 3 cups of cooked sushi rice, we're adding 1 cup of mixed vegetables, a half a cup of diced mushrooms, a half a cup of peanuts, 2 eggs scrambled, 1 bunch of sliced green onions, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And you're going to mix everything together until it's well combined and heated through. If you're not using a non-stick pan, you'll probably need a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil or either a couple of tablespoons of butter to keep everything from sticking. You can serve yours with whatever meat you want. I had some chicken tenders in the fridge, so I just fried them up and diced them, and we're going to throw them on top. And now comes the fun part. Now we're going to pile on our rice to that fresh, crunchy slaw. We're going to top it with our crispy chicken, a few crunchy, crispy wonton strips, extra green onions, and some fresh lime wedges. I even threw in an egg roll because we're being extra today. What I loved most about this bowl is all the different textures. You've got the warm, savory rice, the cool, crunchy slaw, the crispy chicken, peanuts, and wontons, and that fresh squeeze of lime, honey. It just brought everything together. If you try this recipe, let me know what toppings you would add. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, foodie friends.